Good afternoon, everybody. Chris with Ocala Tractor Parts Department. How are you guys doing today? Just want to do a little walk around, show you guys we do have some temporary homes that we're working out of. Right over here behind me, in that middle connex right there, that's where our parts department ordering and processing all come out of. Right to the left of where that is where our service department's working out of. So we are temporary set up, ready to serve you guys. Just want to let you know we're still here, not shut down. Appreciate every comment, concern that you guys send in. Do our best to get back with you as quick as we can. And again, we appreciate you guys. Love every one of you. Thank you out here to the community. And I'll be back soon.